So I'm going to redo that previous video because it didn't record anything. So you all initially produced this set of 6 items, right? And then after that first set of 6 items, you were asked to hybridize each of these so that the top and the bottom forms would have this tapered, too obtuse, too acute configuration, but the center part would remain kind of intact and square. Okay? So that created sort of a second row of items, right, that would essentially line up with these. And so this is the A form that matches that one. Okay? There would be a B, a C, a D, all the way down to F. Then after that, you were asked to create a series of these, a third series of these, where all of the shapes, with the exception of the walls, were all polygonized in such a way that they had no parallel lines. You were asked to use that same criteria of a tapering form, that is a form that starts wide and gets narrower and has 2 obtuse and 2 acute corners on it. Okay? So that created sort of the third row to our little, as Mitchell calls it, the zoo of forms. So now what I'm going to ask you guys to do is I'm going to ask you guys to select pieces from the third line of that zoo that had all the polygonized elements and find ways that you can unite the pieces to create hybrids of the two, where the 2 pieces get sort of combined into a larger whole. And there's a wide variety of different ways to go about doing this. You can attach at the top or you can attach at the bottom. In the case of one like this, you can attach in the middle. All right? But I want you guys to essentially develop these hybridized forms that'll create more complex geometries by taking pieces and joining them together. Now the way that I want you to do that is I don't want you to destroy the 3 lines that you have. Okay? I want you to replicate pieces that you're interested in using and then combining the 2 and then showing me which combination you used. So for example, this would be a combination of, if I was to put this here in connection with that, I would say that this is a combination of F and A. Okay? So that's one of the tasks that I have for you guys, is to kind of create 6 new composited forms utilizing a combination of A, B, C, and F. Okay? You can, if you want to, at the very top, if you're going to do it at the uppermost level, you can utilize D. In no case should you ever utilize E, because E had no parallel floors. Okay? All right, so that's one of the assignments. How many minutes are we at now? 3:30. All right, go ahead and stop that.